This is our lesson number 9, and we will do some more questions regarding PEMDAS or BEDMAS. In the last few lessons, I was using the word BEDMAS, but in this lesson, I will use PEMDAS. But both have the same meaning. PEMDAS this is for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, while BEDMAS is for brackets, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Right, so here I have mentioned that this is the PEMDAS, this is the BEDMAS, both have the same meaning. P for parenthesis, same, B for brackets, right? So in this lesson we will see, suppose if we have more than two parentheses or two parentheses, or if we have an exponent, so how to solve the problem. So always keep in mind we have to follow the PEMDAS or BEDMAS. We have to move from left to right, and step by step we have to follow. So our first example is parenthesis 2x minus 3b plus 4c, and in this question see we have one parenthesis and a small parenthesis, second parenthesis. I told you that we have four kinds of parentheses. The first one is called the bar line, second one is the small bracket or parenthesis, third is the curly parenthesis or bracket, and fourth one is the large parenthesis or bracket. So first of all we have to solve the bar line, but we do not have the bar line here. So come to the small bracket, and we have two small bracket here. So very easy question. First of all you have to see if we have same basis here, so we can simplify it, but there is x, b, and c. So we will write down as it is 2x minus 3b plus 4c, because we cannot simplify inside the parenthesis anything. Then come here we have to multiply with minus sign, and there is no sign between this minus and this parenthesis, so it means this is the multiplication. We have to multiply, and when you multiply only with minus, all the signs inside the parenthesis will change. If this 5 has a plus, so plus minus minus 5x, and this is plus, so plus minus minus 2a. Right, come to the next step. Here we will arrange and we will see whether we can simplify it or not. This is the 2x, 2x, and then we have the minus 5x as well here. So I will bring this minus 5x here. It is 2x minus 5x. Then is minus 2a, this is minus 2a, and then minus 3b plus 4c. Because they do not have the same basis, we will write down as it is. But same basis, I cannot add or subtract with 2x or 3b or 4c and 5x. No, same basis. See, this is x, this is x. So minus 5x plus 2x equal to minus 3x. And then minus 2a minus 3b plus 4c will remain the same. Come to the next question. So here again we have two parentheses. First of all we will see whether we can simplify it or not. We will see that if we have some bases, this is 4x, this is b, this is abc. All three are different. We cannot simplify it, so we will write down as it is from here to here. Now come to the second parenthesis. Here we have to multiply with minus 2. So minus 2 and 4 minus 8x, and then this minus and minus will be plus, because we are doing multiplication. 2 3 times 6, 6b. And then we will rearrange it. This is 4x and minus 8x from here to here. And then minus 6b plus 6b, and then minus 3abc. So 4x minus 8x, we have minus 4x. This is minus 6b, this is plus 6b. Same basis, same coefficient, they will cancel out each other. And then minus 3abc is left, so this is our answer. One more question. Here same thing, two parentheses. First we have to multiply with 2, so it will be 20x square plus 4x, 2 3 times 6 minus 6. This is the first parenthesis. Now we have to multiply this parenthesis with minus negative sign, and I told you if we have to multiply with the negative sign, all the sign inside the parenthesis will change. So it is plus 2x square, it will be minus 2x square, this is minus, it will be plus 5x. This is the second parenthesis, and then we have to arrange with the same basis. This is 20x square minus 2x square, right? And then plus 4x and plus 5x will come up here, and then minus 6. I am not adding this x square with this x. Why? Because this is only x power 1 and this is square. So the same basis we have to add together. I cannot add with x square with x or x 5x with 6. No. So 20x square minus 2x square will be 18x square, 4x plus 5x, 9x, and then minus 6. If we take 3 as common from these 3, so 3 6 times 18, it will be 6x square plus 3x minus 2. This is our answer. In this question, we have 3 parentheses, 1, 2, and 3. So do not worry about it. Whether you have 3 or 4 or 5, you should know how to solve these kind of questions. Use the PEMDAS and always you will get the correct answer if you follow the step. So first thing is we have to simplify it. See, A, B, C, all bases are different. We will write down as it is 3A plus 4B minus 3C. Here we have to multiply with minus 2. So it will be 2 times 4 minus 4a, and then 2 3 times 6 minus 6b. And there it is 2a plus b. Write down as it is 2a plus 2b. And then we will arrange it. 3a, this is a, and this is plus 2a. So these are together. 4b minus 6b plus b, these are together, and this is here. So this is 3 plus 2, 5a, and this is plus 5a, and this is minus 5a. So our answer is only a, because these are 5 minus 4. This is 4 plus 1, 5b plus and minus 6b. So our answer is minus 6b, right? And then minus 3c. So this is our answer. Whether you have 3 or 4 brackets, whatever, always use the rule of PEMDAS. In this question, this is important question, and in this question we will use the exponent. So see, the large bracket is here plus 4, and then in this small bracket we have 7 square divided by 7. So according to PEMDAS, we have to solve the bracket and exponent, whatever inside this bracket is, we have to solve first. So this exponent is inside the parenthesis, right? So it does not mean 7 square does not mean that 7 2 times 14. If you will write down 14, it is wrong. It means that you have 7 2 times. 7 times 49, right? Do not, please keep in mind, this is very important thing. Normally people do 7 2 times 14. No, it's wrong. You have 7 2 times. 7 square 49 divided by 7. In next step, when you will divide 7 one time, 7 7 time. So here we have only 7. And then 4 plus 7, this bracket is solved, minus 3. So 4 plus 7, 11. 11 minus 3, 8. I told you that in addition or subtraction, anything you can do. This is as subtraction. Anything you can do first. Here we have done addition. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 minus 3, 8. But if we will do 7 minus 3, 4, or 4 plus 4, 8. So answer will be same. Right? In this question, this is very important thing, that it means you have 7 2 times. This is the last question. Here we have 36 divided by large bracket 2 cube minus 10 minus 8. Right? So we have to follow PEMDAS again. And in PEMDAS, first you have to solve bar line. We do not have bar line. Come to this small bracket, because we have this small bracket. We cannot solve this large bracket first. This one. First this one. So write down as it is, and here 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Now this bracket is solved. and then we do not have this curly or medium bracket, so go to this large bracket. In this large bracket you have 2 cube. It does not mean 2 3 times 6. It means you have 2 3 times 2 2 times 2 2, sorry, 2 2 times 4 4 2 times 8. Do not write down 6 here. It means you have 2 3 times 2 cube. So 8 minus 2, which is 6. Now you have solved this bracket as well. 36 divided by 6, which is equal to 6. Right? So in this lesson, we have learned, or we did some more questions related to PEMDAS or BEDMAS. Always follow the rule. First you have to solve the bracket, and you have four kind of parentheses or brackets: bar line, small bracket, medium and large. Then you have to go division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. But if you have multiplication, division in one line, so you have to go from left to right, right? If still you have any confusion, any question, you can write down in the comment section. I will try my best to solve it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy. Thank you so much.